The factory headlights on the 2020 Polaris Ranger 1000 with the single overhead cam engine are great headlights, and truthfully they're adequate for the intended purpose of the machine. But for the enthusiast, lights are like horsepower. You can never have too much. Luckily, Rough Country produces a 12-inch LED light bar designed specifically for this factory Polaris front bumper. And look what I got. It comes with clear instructions. There's the 12-inch light bar with daytime running light feature, wiring, brackets, mounting hardware, and some of the tools necessary. This is the box for the light bar itself. I cut and placed the rocker switch right here. The power wire comes through the firewall right here, and then I followed the factory wiring all the way back to the battery under the rear seat, and it's connected right here. This wire runs down under the hood. Here's the plug that plugs into the light bar. Here's how it looks all mounted up. I think it looks really sharp. Definitely a quality piece from a name brand. You can see these brackets they use that don't allow the light to rotate once it's tightened down. And that little light bar puts out an impressive amount of light.